Good morning. Let's talk money. Let's talk about money. Hey, every now and then I stumble across a problem in the teacher edition of our textbook in class, and they get it wrong. There's a lot of life lessons involved there. One is never trust the teacher edition, and for that matter, you should always question your teacher. But here's one we came across last week, and I think, hey, if the answer key got it wrong, maybe this is an error that students make a lot too. Heck, I've probably even made it before. So let's check out this problem that was wrong in the teacher manual. Okay, he buys stuff for $2.25. That's his cost. The book is asking if he wants to make a 40% profit, how much should he increase the price? Okay, and the book says he should increase it by 90%. Here is how to get it wrong. Remember, this is the wrong answer. Here's what the book did. They did 40% of $2.25. That equals 90 cents. Okay? The thing that's wrong with that, and they're saying the price is $3.15, as you can see by the answer key. The problem with that is this. If we're going to figure out profit, it gets compared to the selling price. Okay, so automatically we have a way of checking our work. Here's our selling price that we came up with. So basically, if I'm going to make 40% profit on a $3.15 selling price, we want this to be $2.25 because that's what the problem told us. Okay, let's check that out. Well, obviously it's not, right? Because up there we already know that. But let's go through the motions. Times $3.15. Okay, this tells me that that's my profit. If I'm going to make a 40% profit on $3.15, I'm going to make $1.26, which means if I subtract $1.26 from my selling price, I should get $2.25, right? Obviously, that's not going to work out. That's $1.89. So you can see why this is wrong. That was how they did it wrong. We can learn more from doing it wrong than doing it right sometimes. So here's the problem with this, and here's why the book got it wrong. Okay? The book should have said if he wants to mark up his product by 40%, then this problem works out. Okay, so we've got, when we're doing markup, compares to cost, and profit, I'm going to use green for profit, because that's the color of money, compares to selling price. Yeah, so here's how we need to do this problem. If there's going to be a 40% profit, that means the cost is 60%, right? These numbers need to add up to 100, okay, because 100 means cent. So this problem is just thought of backwards. Here's how we do this. Since we have the cost, I'm going to use a proportion here. We have the cost both as a percent and as a dollar amount, and we have the selling price. Okay, profit equals selling price minus cost, okay, in both cases. So here we go. Our cost, $225. We don't know what the selling price is. The cost is 60% of the selling price, right? Because that means percent. There. Now we're going to get it. We're going to get it now, don't worry. Cross multiply. Divide. $375. What's $375 mean for this problem? That means that's our selling price. So if we're going to go back and answer this question, which was how much should he increase the price and what will the new price be? Well, this is the new price. And how much does he need to increase the price by? Well, we do selling price minus cost, sell minus cost, $1.50. He needs to increase the price by $1.50. Now the thing is, that is called the markup. There's going to be a separate video coming up talking about the difference between markup and profit. Markup, if I was going to do a markup percentage here, then I'm going to compare to the cost. Okay, so $1.50 is what percent of my cost? That's going to give me a markup percentage. Okay, let's go ahead and finish this off. You probably fell asleep by now anyway, right? Divide by 225. 150 divided by 225. All right. That's a 66 2/3, or, you know, a 2/3 markup, okay? So we can see how the markup percentage of 66% is different than a profit of 40%. See? Markup, profit, different. Back to the title. Profit, markup, different. So pay attention, because this problem asked us to really do a markup if their answer key is right. If their answer key is wrong, then it was asking for profit. Hope that all makes sense. Stay tuned for more exciting videos about money and the difference between markup and profit margin for you future business owners out there. It's a huge difference and you need to know it. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you later.